Hey everyone, welcome back to Arms Mastery. Today we're stepping into a world where luxury and firepower blend seamlessly. Get ready for 8 guns only for the rich to carry. A lineup where each firearm isn't just a piece of metal, it's a masterpiece. These guns are like the supercars of the shooting world, featuring intricate designs, precious metal accents, and unparalleled craftsmanship. From the hands of master artisans to our screen, we're showcasing guns that are more often seen in the hands of celebrities and moguls. Think pistols that dazzle with elegance and revolvers that cost as much as a high-end sports car. Each one has a story that's as rich in detail as its design. So sit tight and enjoy as we dive into the exclusive world of the most luxurious and impeccably crafted guns out there. Make sure you stick around to see which of these incredible pieces stands out the most. Let's get this show on the road and see what makes these guns the choice of the wealthy and the famous. Number 8. Atlas Gunworks Aries 4.25. Introducing the Atlas Gunworks Aries 4.25, a firearm that redefines excellence in competitive shooting. This pistol boasts a 4.25-inch match-grade barrel designed for supreme accuracy, making it a top choice for precision shooters. The Aries 4.25 combines advanced engineering with a focus on user experience, featuring a hand-fitted frame and slide that ensures smooth operation and enhanced durability. Its ergonomically designed grip fits comfortably in the hand, while the trigger is calibrated to provide a light, crisp pull, facilitating quick and controlled shots with minimum effort. The meticulous attention to detail is evident in every component, crafted to provide a seamless shooting experience. Whether you're competing at the range or practicing for perfection, the Aries 4.25 offers reliability and performance that professional shooters can trust. The latest price for the Atlas Gunworks Aries 4.25 is $7,125. Pros: match-grade barrel for ultimate accuracy, smooth and reliable slide operation, ergonomically designed for comfort and control. Cons: high maintenance requirements to maintain optimal performance, may be too complex for novice users. Number 7. SIG Sawyer MPX Copperhead. Discover the SIG Sawyer MPX Copperhead, a standout submachine gun tailored for close quarters combat. This compact powerhouse features a 3.5-inch barrel with an integrated muzzle brake, enhancing stability and shot accuracy in tight environments. The Copperhead's design includes a monolithic upper receiver that boosts structural integrity and simplifies maintenance, coupled with a short-stroke piston system for reliable operation under various conditions. The firearm is equipped with fully ambidextrous controls, making it adaptable for both right and left-handed shooters. Its collapsible brace aids in easy handling and storage, while the AR-style controls offer familiarity to users already accustomed to AR platform guns. Ideal for tactical applications or personal defense, the MPX Copperhead combines functionality with advanced engineering. The price is approximately $1,800 to $2,000. Pros: compact and easy to handle, stable shooting with integrated muzzle control, user-friendly for any shooter orientation. Cons: higher costs due to advanced features, shorter range effectiveness. Number 6. Colt Python 3-inch. Explore the exceptional Colt Python 3-inch, an updated model to a legendary revolver lineage. This compact model features a 3-inch barrel, making it highly suitable for concealed carry while maintaining the revolver's famous aesthetic and performance. Crafted with a stainless steel frame and barrel, the Python 3-inch boasts a polished finish that is as durable as it is visually appealing. Specifications include a 6-round cylinder capacity, chambered for .357 Magnum, which also accommodates 38 special cartridges, offering versatility in ammunition choice. The revolver's adjustable rear sight paired with a red ramp front sight ensures rapid and precise target acquisition. The renowned smooth double-action and sharp single-action trigger pull of the Python series enhance both the shooting experience and accuracy. The price is approximately $1,499. Pros: versatile ammunition compatibility, durable stainless steel construction, superior handling and sight accuracy. Cons: premium pricing for a premium revolver, lower capacity compared to modern semi-automatic pistols. Number 5. Kimber Repeat. Introducing the Kimber Repeat, a striking pistol that blends speed, precision, and style. It's renowned for its innovative slide design with lightening cuts that reduce weight and speed up cycling, making it a top choice for competitive shooting. The pistol features a 5-inch stainless steel match-grade barrel, ensuring outstanding accuracy at various distances. The Kimber Repeat is chambered at 45 ACP, known for its stopping power, making it a formidable choice for self-defense and tactical applications. It's equipped with True Glow TFX Pro day or night sights that provide clear sight pictures in both bright and low light conditions. The G10 grips offer a sturdy, slip-resistant hold, crucial for maintaining control during rapid fire. The price is approximately $1,500 to $1,600. Pros: lightweight and fast slide operation, reliable accuracy with a match-grade barrel, effective in various lighting conditions due to advanced sights. Cons: requires some initial use to reach peak performance, demands careful handling due to its powerful caliber. Number 4. Wilson Combat SFX9. Explore the cutting-edge Wilson Combat SFX9, a compact yet powerful handgun designed for both duty use and personal defense. This model boasts a solid frame, 3.25-inch stainless steel match-grade barrel optimized for exceptional accuracy and durability. The SFX9 is built on a lightweight aluminum frame, reducing overall carry weight without compromising on strength or performance. One standout feature is the X-Tac pattern front strap and grip panels, which provide enhanced grip security in various environmental conditions, crucial for consistent performance. The SFX9 also comes with a 15-round magazine capacity, making it highly effective for situations requiring extended fire without frequent reloads. The latest price for the Wilson Combat SFX9 is approximately $2,795. Pros: enhanced accuracy with match-grade barrel, light but sturdy frame for easy handling, increased magazine capacity for extended use. Cons: premium price point reflects its high-quality build, may be too complex for inexperienced shooters. We've got 3 more pistols to explore on our list. If you're finding value in what you've seen so far, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support is crucial in helping our channel expand. Thank you. Now, let's dive back into our list. Number 3. Caracal LYX DS Compact. This pistol features a 3.9-inch barrel, making it an excellent choice for concealed carry without compromising on performance. It's equipped with a double-stack magazine that offers a generous capacity of 15 rounds, ensuring that you're ready for extended use without the need for frequent reloads. The LYX DS Compact is constructed from a high-strength polymer frame, providing durability and a lightweight feel, which is essential for comfort during prolonged carry. Its ergonomic design includes an integrated Picatinny rail, allowing for the attachment of a variety of accessories like tactical sights and lasers, enhancing its versatility in various operational settings. The sights are optimized for quick target engagement, and the trigger mechanism is engineered for smooth, consistent action, aiding in accurate and reliable shooting. The price is approximately $4,560. Pros: ideal size for discreet carry, extended magazine capacity for longer use, robust polymer build enhances portability and durability. Cons: might require practice for those unaccustomed to its compact size, higher investment for its advanced features and performance. Number 2. Staccato CS. Step into the world of refined personal defense with the Staccato CS, a pinnacle of compact handgun engineering. This model is expertly crafted for those who require a reliable and highly portable firearm without compromising on performance. The Staccato CS features a 3.1-inch bull barrel, renowned for its accuracy and durability, ensuring that each shot is as precise as the last. Its compact design makes it an excellent choice for concealed carry, fitting discreetly yet comfortably for all-day wear. Built with a robust aluminum frame, the Staccato CS is both lightweight and sturdy, designed to ensure the demands of both law enforcement and private security use. It boasts a double-stack magazine that holds 10 rounds, offering more firepower than typical compact models. The pistol is outfitted with enhanced fiber optic sights, which provide clear and quick target acquisition even in low-light conditions. The grips are textured to provide a firm hold, reducing movement during firing and increasing overall control. The price for the Staccato CS starts around $2,499. Pros: exceptional accuracy from a compact bull barrel, sturdy yet lightweight for ease of handling, adequate capacity for its size with a double-stack magazine. Cons: smaller capacity may require more frequent reloads in intense scenarios. The compact size might need an adjustment period for those accustomed to larger firearms. Number 1. Korth 2.75-inch Carry Special. Welcome to the epitome of revolver craftsmanship with the Korth 2.75-inch Carry Special. This revolver is not just a firearm, it's a statement of luxury and precision engineering. Designed for the discerning individual who values both aesthetics and functionality, the Colt Carry Special features a 2.75-inch barrel that makes it exceptionally suitable for concealed carry without compromising on performance. Crafted from the finest materials, this revolver is built with a high-grade steel frame that offers unmatched durability and a sleek, polished look. The precision of its mechanical design is evident in every click of the cylinder and pull of the smooth, meticulously tuned trigger, which delivers a consistent and reliable shooting experience. The Colt 2.75-inch Carry Special stands out with its custom wood grips that not only enhance its elegant appearance, but also provide a comfortable and secure hold. This model is chambered in .357 Magnum, offering formidable stopping power in a compact package. Its fixed sights are designed for quick and easy target acquisition, ideal for the rapid responsiveness required in personal defense situations. The price is approximately $3,999. Pros: compact design ideal for discreet carry. Exquisite craftsmanship and high-end materials. Powerful .357 Magnum caliber in a manageable size. Cons: premium pricing reflects its elite status. Fixed sights, while quick to align, may not suit all shooting preferences. I hope you enjoyed our countdown and agree with our top 8 picks. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button before you go. Catch you in the next video.